Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Ashtami. I hope you all are enjoying watching my Durga Puja vlogs, and I hope that you are getting to see a lot of idols, a lot of lightings. I've tried showing all what I could. I will be showing you the puja as well. I had promised you all that I will be like showing you the Ashtami puja where I will be going today. So yes, please stay tuned. I wanted to give you all a quick update. Yesterday I went to Silent Tropicana for my face cleanup, and today after having my bath, you can see till now, till this hour of the day, it's around 3:30 in the afternoon. I haven't applied anything, neither have I washed my face with my face wash. I have just used like normal cool water to wash my face, and this is how my face looks like. My mother's just put me a little bit of tika because we had puja in our house today. That's it. After having my bath and after eating my lunch, I usually apply this face serum. I just wanted to share the thing with you here. This is the Mamaearth face serum that I usually apply having a bath. So yeah, this is actually the Mamaearth Skin Correct face serum. These are for my acne marks. I have a little bit of acne around my cheek area only, so I use this. So I just pump once and I take a few drops of the lotion here, and then I rub it off against my palms and I apply it gently all over my face. This is like really good for my skin. I have oily skin and I cannot apply anything and everything. It's just that a very less products suit me. So yeah, I wanted to share it with you as well. If you also have oily skin, you can recommend your doctor, or maybe you can actually do a little bit of your research and test that which product is going to suit you the most. This product has been suiting me the most, so even you can like order it for yourself. I'm repeating the name of the product. It is the Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum. Okay, and I ordered this from the Mamaearth website. You will be able to find this in Nykaa as well. So there's also one more thing that I apply. This is the Namya Skin Lip Serum, and this is basically a natural skincare company. It is it's like really natural and really nice. I just take this much of the product and I apply it all over my lips. It gives like a very soothing effect on my skin, and I mean my lips here. That's it. This much is the product that you need to apply, and then just leave it off. It has a very sweet taste, and I love such products that have like a flavor to it, because I have this habit of licking my lips and taking off the entire product. So this is the reason why I love Namya lip serum. Y'all can also try it. You will be able to find this in again, you will be able to find this in their own website, the Namya Skincare website, or maybe you can order it from Nykaa. So I wanted to share something with y'all. I ordered a few items from Nykaa and I wanted to share it. I wanted to show it to y'all as well. So yeah, this is the package and it's arrived today. I ordered a few items for myself and as well as for my mom. So yeah, I'll show it to y'all. See, I've opened the box also in front of y'all. I'm unboxing it right now in front of you. So yeah. So this is the shampoo that my mom uses. I'll show it to you. She uses the L'Oreal Extenso shampoo. So I always order it from Nykaa. Here. Nykaa usually sells like the genuine products. You'll be able to find out like good products here. This is L'Oreal Professional Paris Extenso Care Shampoo. The other item that I ordered for myself was my shampoo. I usually use the Mamaearth Onion Shampoo. It's really good for hair. This is like the third bottle that I have ordered for myself. I've completed 2 bottles. Yeah, so this is like the third bottle. This is the onion shampoo with keratin and with onion and plant keratin. So this is like a really good shampoo. This is I'm actually saying it from my personal experience, because I've already used two of these bottles, and this is like the third bottle that I've ordered for myself. So yeah, if y'all are facing hair fall issues and you want your hair to grow like really fast, and as well as give a smooth effect on your hair, this is the one that you should be going ahead with. I use the conditioner as well. I don't use the serum. I use the serum from L'Oreal. Yeah, I use a L'Oreal company based serum. I don't use the onion serum which is being provided by Mama Earth. I've never tried it. If you all want, you all can always try it. Now this is the third and the last item that I've ordered for myself. This is the serum that I use. I told you all previously that I don't use the Mama Earth onion serum. I use this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is the serum that I use, and this is like really good. It has like a lot of oil infused in it, natural oil infused in it. Your hair doesn't look oily, it doesn't even look sticky, rather it looks very smooth and shiny. And yes, it is also like a protection that it also provides a lot of protection to your hair when you are using like straighteners or iron on your hair. So if you are like always like going out for parties, or maybe on a regular basis you move out of your house, so you need a type of a protection for your hair as well. We protect our skin by using like a lot of creams. You should be like using a serum that can protect your hair as well. So yeah, I would recommend that y'all should go ahead with this serum. This is the 100 ml package. You can even try for a 50 ml package. It's available at Nykaa. I ordered these 3 products from Nykaa, and I thought of like sharing the review with you. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know something else, or if you want me to make vlogs on certain topics. I will be like going ahead with it. Till then, please do enjoy my vlogs. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned. I have applied this serum. I told you all that I've applied this serum. I'm going to leave it for like the next 5 to 6 hours, and then I'm going to wash my hair, my face, and then I'll get ready for the puja where I have to go. So yeah, stay tuned and be there with me and enjoy today's vlog. Now see guys, this is the dress that I'm planning to wear for my Ashtami occasion. It has a blue and a pink combination with golden work on it. It has like really beautiful patti work which is here on the sleeves and as well as on the border. It has some sequence work here as well. So this is what I am planning to wear, and I'll show you my entire look once when I get dressed up. So stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm actually now ready now. So I have actually worn the entire dress, and I thought of like pairing it up with these jhumkis. I'll wear it and I'll show you the look. These beautiful jhumkis were given to me by my Rakhi brother Mukund, and these are such beautiful jhumkis. I loved it the day when it came. So yeah, see the look. It looks really pretty, isn't it? I'll show you the entire look once when I reach the place. Do let me know in the comment section whether you like this look or not.
আমরা আমার সঙ্গী। हेलो हेलो क्या बात है बंसारी जी स्वागत करूं।
मम्मी एंजॉय की वहाँ
बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया, वेरी नाइस।
बहुत we enjoyed so much and I vlogged how much I could. Okay, वहाँ में कोई vlogging वीडियो ये सब मतलब लेने ही नहीं दे रहे हैं. सब लोग बोल रहे हैं यहाँ के बैठो वहाँ के बैठो and you know they were like you know little camera conscious. So obviously वहाँ पे without their permission they were all elders. I can't take videos but we enjoyed so much and now we are heading back home. मम्मी आज कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मज़ा आया। वी एंजॉय द लॉट एंड सब ऐसे ही एंजॉय करें, जितने भी दिन है बाकी माँ दुर्गा के सब एंजॉय करें जैसे हम लोग एंजॉय करें। प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच।
My mom is actually very overwhelmed with the response that you know we have been getting so far. Please keep supporting and don't worry, मेरा vlog अभी तक end नहीं हुआ है. मैं घर जाके end करूँगी because I have to show you my entire look and then I'll end the vlog. My mom and I will do it together. Don't worry. So this is my look for the evening. This was the dress that I had worn and see from front and as from behind. Isn't this dress so pretty? Now I'm going to show you my mother's look. This is how my mom was looking. Isn't she looking so pretty? So guys, I'll end my vlog here. We enjoyed a lot there and at the same time this day was a very memorable one and a very special one. Happy Ashtami to all of you once again. Keep watching our videos. I hope even you had a great time with us. Move out of your houses, do wear your masks and carry your sanitizers well, and I'll meet you back again very soon with a fresh vlog. Till then, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay safe. Bye all of you.